In this video, I'm going to show you how to do back post stitches. A back post stitch is a variation of a standard crochet stitch where instead of inserting your hook into the top loops of the stitch, you insert it around the stitch of the previous row, which is called the post, from back to front. This creates a raised texture on the back of your work. Any of the crochet stitches, single, half double, double, or treble, can be done as a post stitch. The most common are double and treble, so that's what we'll look at today. The abbreviation for the back post stitches will begin with BP and then show the abbreviation for the stitch you are to do, such as BPDC for back post double crochet or BPTR for a back post treble crochet. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, medium weight yarn, and my tutorials are in US crochet terms. Use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. To work a back post stitch, you must have a row of stitches to work into. I have a couple rows of double crochet stitches. If you need a refresher on how to do a double crochet stitch, I've put the link in the description. To start my next row, I'll chain 2 and turn. Some patterns will tell you to make a turning chain of 3 when you're doing a double crochet stitch, but I like to chain 2. For more information about turning chains, I've linked my videos Turning Chains and Do Turning Chains Count as a Stitch in the description as well. I'll make a regular double crochet stitch in the first stitch. My turning chain will not count as a stitch, so I'll yarn over, insert my hook under both loops of the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now I'll make a back post double crochet in the next stitch. I'll yarn over, and instead of inserting my hook under the top loops of the stitch, I'll insert my hook around the stitch of the previous row, which is called the post. That's this part here. I'll insert my hook from the back, around the front of the post, and come out at the back on the other side of the post. Then I'll yarn over, pull up a loop, and then complete my double crochet stitch as normal by yarning over, pulling through 2 loops, yarning over, and pulling through the last 2 loops. I'll make another regular double crochet stitch in the next stitch, and then we'll do another back post stitch again. So we yarn over, insert our hook from the back, around the post, come out the other side of the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. We'll do that one more time. So I'll make a regular double crochet stitch and then a back post double crochet stitch by yarning over, inserting my hook from the back around the post, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. I'll just finish off the row with double crochet stitches. If you were doing treble crochet stitches, the method is the same. I'll first crochet a row of regular treble crochet stitches so that our posts are on the same side of the work. I'll chain 3 and turn. The turning chain will count as a stitch, so I'll make a treble crochet in the second stitch and continue making treble crochet stitches in each stitch across. Then I'll chain 3 and turn. I'll make a regular treble crochet stitch, and now I'll back post treble crochet by yarning over twice, inserting my hook from the back, around the post, out the other side, yarn over, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and then yarn over and complete the stitch by pulling through the last 2 loops. I'll make a regular treble crochet stitch in the next stitch, and then we'll do one more back post treble by yarning over twice, inserting our hook around the post from the back, yarning over and pulling up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops and do that 3 times. As you can see, the back post stitches are raised and give the piece a textured look. Back post stitches are often used along with front post stitches in patterns. I have linked that video in the description. If this video has helped you, a thumbs up helps other left-handed crocheters find it. And if you would like more easy, step-by-step crochet tutorials made specifically for left-handed crocheters, be sure to subscribe. It's free, and tap the bell so you'll know when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.